Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Have you ever wanted to make sourdough from scratch? Well, if you have, this SINA Essential Sourdough Starter Kit is the perfect set to help you get started.
What makes this kit so special is that it didn't just give me the basics. It provided the essential tools that I needed to sustain my sourdough starter. It comes with a high quality jar that has a breathable cover, and that allows for the natural fermentation process to take place. It also included a silicone spatula, a dough whisk, and those both help me keep my starter super active. In addition, you'll see it has a thermometer on the side of the jar and a band that allows me to move the time and date of when I've last fed my starter to make sure that there's no stressing or guessing about the fact that I'm going to keep it live and active. Another one of my favorite parts of this set is the fact that it came with a flour duster. You can simply just push it open, fill it up, and then you can add the beautiful touch of rice flour to your bread so that as you score it, it leaves beautiful decorative designs that look really professional on the tops of my loaves. This is really unique and it definitely elevates all of the loaves I make from homemade to bakery quality.
With this SINA Essential Sourdough Starter Kit, you have everything that you need to be a total success. From creating your own starter to baking your beautiful, fluffy loaf, you're going to have all the tools you need. And that's my point of view.